things like that. And today we bring you the McNeil Racing. Brand new. They just came out with this a couple weeks ago. It fits the 97 to 03 F-150 Raptor Gen 2 conversion. So we just ordered this. We're doing a project on this truck this summer. And so we ordered this. We're going to, like you said, conversion, the Gen Raptor conversion. And it's going to be fun. This summer it's going to be, we're going to link the truck, back half it, interior cage. This is going to be like an ongoing build that we're going to do. So we're going to bring you coverage all through the summer. But anyways, we got this from McNeil. It's a great product. It's made in Lemon Grove, California. And I've been using them for probably the last 7-8 years. The McNeil family, great family, really down to earth. They're really passionate about off-road racing. If you guys don't know, their dad Perry, he used to be Perry's Fab and Fiber, but now, you know, the kids have kind of taken it over and brought it to the next, I guess, millennium, next generation. It's different from the other companies, but the quality, the fit and finish is very well. That's why we use it here. And anyways, just excited to bring you guys more footage as we work on this truck.